Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this diamond top fold card. I can't stop playing with it. It can also stand, as you can see here, either on a mantle or a desk. Well, let's get started. I used the product of the month, Berry Botanical Vellum. If you got it, you know how beautiful this vellum is. Here are the parts that you need to create this card. Feel free to stop and pause for a screenshot. Start with a card base that is 6 inches by 8 1/4, scoring at 3 vertically and horizontally. Then you're going to mark on this center line 3 3/4 and 5 1/8 on both top and bottom. Then you're going to score from those marks, this mark to the bottom and to the top. So that's what you get here. Then you're going to need 2 pieces of the pretty vellum, 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, and then 4 pieces. I put 2 for the front and 2 for the back. They are 2 by 2 7/8 wide and 4 1/4, and then I cut at the 3 diagonal at the cut. And you have to do opposites. And what I did to do the same side of it is make sure to fold it in facing together, cut it, and that way you'll have 2 there. Same thing for the greens. Alright, so let's get these measurements out of the way. First things first, you're going to fold along the horizontal that way, then fold on the vertical, and then on these two I'm going to go ahead and erase my little marks, make it a little neater, and then you're just going to fold a mountain fold just along here to the center, and repeat on the left side. I love that it's one piece and it pops and it really moves. So keep that mountain, and this one's going to be a valley, and so then you fold gently this way, and you'll get what it looks like this. And you're going to really burnish well so the fold really works well. Test it out. There you go. So first things first, let's go ahead and adhere these 2 pieces. I'm going to do my usual clockwise around, just to make sure that the corners don't lift. As long as the corners are down, it's pretty safe that it won't. Then you get to decide what you want on the inside and the outside. So let's do the outside first. And then this one I already have some adhesive on here. And let's do this one. This one I think I cut backwards accidentally, but we're going to go ahead and use it. And the vellum is lovely. You actually don't see through it like other vellums, so I don't have to worry about where the adhesive is sitting. But that just leaves more room for embellishments, for maybe some sentiments or die cuts. I just want to simply show you how it works. So this is the inside, and that is it. Super quick and easy. Put your sentiments. You can sign your message here if you like. So I'll do it again. Fold, and there. So again, you can do opposite. Green on the outside, green on the inside, purple on the outside. But again, I love the way it just opens. Lots of motion. Can play with it a lot. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for many more card video tutorials such as these. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.